Hello, lovely people. Today we are going to have some homemade vegan yogurt. Yes, you're a vegetarian or a vegan, you want to enjoy some yogurt and you don't know what to do. You seem not to get some. Hey, I'm going to share this with you. Okay, so we are going to do this with our soya milk. This is homemade soya milk. I made it myself, and so I will leave the link in the description box for you to watch and know how to make your own soya milk. You don't need soya milk with flavors, additives and all that for the yogurt. No, you need as much as you can organic. And so you need to watch that video and make your own soya milk at home and use it for this yogurt recipe, which you will never and ever regret. Hope you get me. Yes. And so we are going to use our homemade yogurt starter, and this one too is vegan. I will leave the link in the description box for you to watch and know how to make your own yogurt starter at home. I mean, if you're a vegetarian and you going to make vegan yogurt and your starter isn't vegan, that is not cool at all. So watch it and you will understand and know how to do it. So we are going to boil our milk, and what you have to do is you have to make sure that the pot you are using is the thick type, not the light type, and you have to be stirring consistently or continuously so that your milk doesn't get stuck under the saucepan. So this one, the moment it boils, we are going to put it off. And so you just have to give it attention. You don't put it on fire and then go and relax somewhere. No, it's not supposed to boil too much. So the moment you realize that it is boiling or it boils once, we are going to put it off. So this one is boiling now, and so we are going to put the fire off and allow it to cool down. And when I say it should cool down, it doesn't mean it's going to cool down 100%, but what it means is that it's going to be 50-50, where your hands or your fingers can touch and handle and you not feel any heat here and or any burning sensation. Then it means it's okay for the yogurt. So we are going to mix our starter. So as I said, check the description box for how to make yogurt culture or yogurt starter at home. Vegan. This is vegan, so you can use it for your vegan yogurt. Okay, and so our milk has cooled down and the temperature is okay, the fingers can handle it, and so we are going to scoop some to mix the starter. Mix it very well, and then after mixing, we are going to pour it into our milk and stir everything together. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing and like this video, share and leave a comment. I have a lot of vegan recipes for you, so don't leave. And if you really want to lose weight, I'm going to give you a challenge on vegan challenge for weight loss. And so check the channel and be enjoying it. Okay, so we are going to put this in our oven and cover for 8 to 12 hours. The oven is supposed to be off. This is gas oven, but if you are using electric oven, then you can put the light on and just let it be off. And so this is our yogurt. It's been in the oven for 9 hours. Yes, and so I will just drain the water from it, and I'm going to use the same yogurt to prepare another yogurt. And so this is my second yogurt I'm going to prepare, and this time around, so I'm going to boil my milk, and it's boiling, and so I'm going to put it off and allow it to cool down to the temperature where the hands can handle very well without any burning sensation. Okay, so the milk has cooled down. We are going to test it at the back of my palm and see if it's okay. If my palm, if my hands can handle it, then that's also okay. So this is okay. It's not cold and it's not hot. It's lukewarm. Yes, that's exactly what we need. And so we are going to scoop some of the already made yogurt. Yes, about 4 tablespoons, and then we'll mix some of the milk with it, and we are going to mix it with the yogurt and leave it in the oven again. The oven is supposed to be off, And if it's electric oven, just put the light on and just put off. The light should be on, and then cover it or close it till the next day. So this is going to be in my gas oven, which will be off, and I'll cover with a lid and also a napkin and allow it in till the next day. So that's what I'm going to do now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share, and leave a comment. I really appreciate you being here, and I say thank you. So it's morning. We are checking on our yogurt, and it's ready. It's ready. It's ready. Yes. So I'm just draining the water from it, and we are going to use it. We are going to mix it very well. So when you look at it, you realize that the yogurt is not smooth. It looks like there are some lumps in here and there. And so what you are going to do is we are going to smoothen it. We are going to mix it very well for it to be very smooth. So this is the first one we made. I mixed it, added some flavors to it and sweetener also to it, and left it in the fridge. I also added thickener to it. So this is more like Greek yogurt, very thick this way. And so that's what you're going to do to the other one. And so this one too, we are going to mix it. Just use your whisk to whisk it very well so that everything will mix together smoothly. And so you can see it's very smooth. Yes, now we have a smooth consistency. And so what you're going to do is we are going to thicken it. You can decide to leave it like that and enjoy it like that. But if you want it a bit thick, then we are going to use tickets. This is the thickener that I use, and this is keto compliant. It's the nutrition facts, everything shows that it's keto compliant. The carbohydrate 4 gram, that is 1%. Everything is zero, no sugar, and it's also gluten free. And so you can be on keto and still enjoy this. I'll first add a teaspoon to it and mix it. Then you realize that the moment you start mixing, instantly it's thickening up. Instantly it will get thick, and so when you put it in the fridge, it's going to get more and more thick. And so I will add another teaspoon to it because I want it more thick. I want it like the Greek yogurt nature or attitude. Okay, please subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Share, like the video, leave a comment also. Don't just watch and go. Support a sister to grow a channel. And so watch out for more and more vegan recipes. Okay. And so because it's a plant-based product or food we are going to enjoy, the smell of the soya is very strong. So you will need to tone it down with some flavor like vanilla or any flavor of your choice. And so I used vanilla. You can use pineapple, you can use any, and it will reduce the smell of the soya bean for you, and you will love this. You will love this. The taste, it was so awesome. And so this is it for our homemade vegan yogurt. This is heavenly. Just give it a try and you will not regret. I'm going to enjoy some. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some chai seed to this, add some walnuts, and also add my sweetener to it, and leave it in the fridge for it to chill a bit. Then I will enjoy it. Yes, so that's my walnut. So I'm just adding it. Give this a try. You will not regret. So if you're vegetarian or vegan and you're finding it difficult to enjoy yogurt, this is the right place for you. And so I'm not using sugar. This is keto sweetener. This is sweetener stevia. My sister was like, hey, it will be too sweet. And I was like, I don't want going to eat it. Allow me enjoy you. And so this is it. And Ghana, we have something called Burkina. So this yogurt with the chai seed looks like Burkina. That's the Burkina in Ghana is cow milk with millets mixed together, and so this gives it that look. And so this is it for today's recipe. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like, share this video, leave a comment, support a sister to grow a channel, and watch out for another sumptuous vegan recipe. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.